C'est en pierre G.
Tous mes collègues, ils sont de Courmontreuil, ils disent.
Moi je connais, hein.
Racines, ils disent, putain, je me sens en pierre G.
Ouais, moi je connais, hein.
Nous on dit taboulé.
Taboulé.
I was 15, heart racing wild, ticket in my hand, feeling like a child. Lights went down, the crowd went insane. David Lee Roth stepped out, assless chaps in flames. It was a diver down tour, man, what a sight. Hit toss screaming like thunder in the night. Eddie lit that fretboard on fire, and I knew right then this band was my desire. Van Halen, yeah, you shook my world, running with the devil, hot for teacher girls, from jumping high, dreams so loud, you wore your sound like a thundercloud, and I still hear Eddie's soul, every note he played. Van Halen, you never fade. Then came Sammy, red rocker pride. Why can't this be love?
Il y a du monde à l'intérieur, hein,
Lit
parce que ça chante, hein.
up the sky. More polished, but still that heavy sound. Still dancing with the best damn band around. Front row again, beer in my hand. The Hagar years, man, I was a fan. Singing every word like a prayer. Harmonies and horsepower everywhere.
Qui c'est qui vit par là?
Van Halen, yeah, you rock my soul. With 51 to 15 burning out of control. From Cabo nights to pound cake bites, you were the spark that lit up my nights. And I still hear Eddie's fire in every song you play. Van Halen, you never fail. Okay, yeah, then came Sharon. Let's all pretend that phase is gone. But even legends have a stumble, have a fall. Still, Eddie stood 10 feet tall. Now when I look back through the haze of whiskey nights and wilder days, one band's carved deep in my heart. From that first show, they lit the spark. Van Halen, kings of loud and free. You were the soundtrack to the wild and free. Talking about love to finish what you started. Your riffs hit deep, pure and uncharted, and I still hear Eddie's magic in every string he played. Van Halen, you never fade. No, Van Halen, I was just a kid at 15 years old. Saw the fire, felt the soul. Thank you, Eddie, you played like no one else. Van Halen forever.